Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 今日動画 I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce one of my favorite fishes, Iwashi no Kabayaki. Iwashi is Japanese name of sardine and written by like this. This dish is very simple and delicious. I hope this will be interesting and informative for you. Yes, let's make it. At first, I'll make the sauce. Here is a recipe. Today I use specific soy sauce, Tamari shoyu, to add the richness to the sauce. But you can use regular soy sauce which you have. I add all ingredients to the pot. Okay, I turn on the heat. Slowly to melt the sugar. Once the sauce starts to boil, I turn on the heat and reduce the sauce for about 5 minutes to thicken the sauce. Rich sauce goes well with the sardine. Almost. Okay, like this. The sauce is done. If you like this sauce, please make it double. Next, sardine, Iwashi. These sardines are Japanese pilchard and caught in Chiba Prefecture. They are best seasoned now. I use stepper knife to prepare the fish. At first, I remove the scales. Move the knife from tail to head. Good. Then I trim off the head. Okay. And cut the belly like this. I turn it and remove the innards using the heel of the knife. At last, I make a cut to the blood. Okay, I prepared all sardines. Then I wash the blood and the remaining innards carefully. Okay, beautiful. I remove the water carefully. Removing the water is essential to keep the flavor of the fish. Please wipe out the water outside and inside. Okay, then I butterfly the fishes. Start to cut the belly side and turn the knife like this and cut off the ribs. This is my way. If you like, please try it. One more. The tip is to twist the knife slightly and cut it to the skin. Turn the sardine and cut the belly side. And hold the dorsal fin and cut off the bone. I move the knife horizontally first. Then I tilt the knife and cut off the ribs. Again, I move the knife horizontally first. Then I tilt the knife and cut off the ribs. Okay, and I remove the bone. If the bone is not cut, it's okay to cut it like this. Then I cut the tail fin. Finally, I remove the ribs. Nice. Turn it and the opposite side. The ribs of small sardine is not firm, so if you don't care the small bones, please skip this process. Okay, I prepared all sardines. This preparation of butterflying the sardine is very common in Japan. Fishmongers do it for us. Then I add salt to the sardine evenly. The purpose of salt is removing the water, not seasoning, so we don't add much salt. I keep it for 10 minutes. Please give a moment. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. 10 minutes later, the water and smell come out from the sardines. I remove the water carefully. Okay. This is potato starch. You can use cornstarch as well. I coat the sardines with the potato starch. I put it both sides and tap it to remove the excess powder. If you buy prepared fishes, this recipe is quite easy and quick. Okay, let's deep fry the sardines. The temperature of the oil is 180 degrees. I add the sardines to the oil. The tip is to deep fry them over high heat for a short time. I turn them over. Good, it's slightly browned. Turn them again. Browning the sardine adds nice roasted aroma. If you feel the vibration from the sardines, they are cooked. Once the outside becomes crispy, I remove them from the oil. Get rid of the oil carefully. Nice. We can eat it with salt, but I recommend to eat it with this sauce. I place the sardines to the sauce. Okay, I arrange them on the plate. Looks delicious. Iwashi no Kabayaki is done. I recommend to eat it with Japanese short grain rice. I put the sauce on the rice and sardine. Pour the sauce again. Nice. Finally, this is sansho shichimi. I bought it as a souvenir in Nagano Prefecture. Shichimi means 7 types of spices, and the sansho is written by like this. Sansho is Japanese traditional pepper. The smell is refreshing like tree of citrus, and the flavor is very refreshing. Sansho adds unique accent to the dishes. Sansho is a perfect partner with Kabayaki, this dish, and Japanese popular menu Unagi. I sprinkle sansho shichimi over it. Iwashi no Kabayaki is done. Let's eat it. The sardine is so crispy and it goes perfect with the rice and sansho shichimi. I love sansho shichimi, so I added more. I really recommend Iwashi no Kabayaki. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced one of my favorite fish dish. And if you come to Japan, I highly recommend to buy shichimi and sansho as souvenirs. They are perfect with today's dish. I hope you enjoy delicious Iwashi no Kabayaki at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.